What's up? Is that thing hot too?
Yeah.
Why would it give you cancer?
It smells the worst.
Oh.
It smells the most cancer out of all the
Even though you breathe in all that turpentine? Well, I guess you don't breathe it.
the glue, the turpentine, all that stuff. I wear a mask.
You wear the mask.
I wear a
but
mask
still.
for this too, but not right now.
But not right now.
Not feeling it.
Because you know it's Monday.
Because it's Monday. Maskless Monday, that's what I always call it.
Maskless Monday.
Yeah, always. Always have.
As if Mondays aren't bad enough. Here's some cancer for you.
There you go.
I'm kind of amazed by how smoothly this thing cuts.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It gets pretty hot. Put your hand near it.
I don't.
And it's actually nice. Actually, Molly, would you like to warm your hand?
It is warm.
Look, we found a solution.
Okay. Oh, there you go, Molly. Yeah. Poor Molly's hands are like your hands are like blue. Oh my god.
Yeah, you gotta
Don't burn. You're so close to Molly. You're scaring me.
Wait, do you not have gloves?
It's just though.
You have cold hand syndrome?
Yeah, cold hands
What did you call it?
Raynaud's.
Rain. Oh, they said radon. I was like, it sounds like some
Radon.
sort of like Godzilla character. Oh, I guess that's Rodan.
Isn't Radon? Oh.
Or like some sort of
Rodan?
Yeah.
Who's Rodan? Which one is Rodan?
the pterodactyl thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know very much about Godzilla.
I played Godzilla Destroy All Monsters on the GameCube.
On the GameCube? Nice.
I know a lot about it.
Isn't there a new movie coming out soon?
There is.
Let me guess. Godzilla's gonna destroy a city.
No, on accident though. He's our reluctant hero. How do you say that? Like he's
Oh, I see what you mean. Like
he's not reluctant. We are reluctant that he's our hero.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the hero. But we're reluctant to admit that he's the hero.
Yeah. He's not the hero that Gotham deserves.
It's
But
the hero
one-
that Gotham needs.
Yeah, the Earth.
The Earth needs.
Yeah.
Don't record me.
Too late.
No, I don't like being watched.
Are you embarrassed about your handwriting?
My handwriting's pretty bad. Well, I'm like, okay, you're just gonna record me sitting here for a while because I'm thinking about what to write and
That's
how
fine.
to do this.
I'll play some Jeopardy music. It'll be fine. What are you doing over here, Josh?
Reorganizing. That's what I do.
You were cleaning, and there were drill sounds earlier.
Yeah, this is just like we don't have a garage here, so we have to keep our bikes here. So I had to reorganize this area, and it was just kind of like getting out of control.
Mhm.
And especially just going through winter, it's almost like a spring cleaning thing.
Yeah.
You know, you just keep trying different combinations, and eventually something works better.
Yeah. No, you
So-
kind of made your own bike garage here.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm trying to deal with that. It's the entrance to the workshop, and I don't know. We've just been so busy. It's good to kind of reorganize.
Nice.
Yeah. So we'll see if this works better than before. Let's see if we get this. Yeah. Much better, I think. Now I'm gonna hang stuff on the wall here. Like hang the bows up here.
Yeah.
I'll put that there for right now. I'll hang stuff up there, and then I just think it'll be a lot more efficient that way.
All right.
So, and less clutter, better flow into the workshop. Okay, this is what's freaking me out. Like, take a look at what I'm wearing right now. I got my shorts on underneath here, and then these are my sweats, and I have this fleece. And Molly's fingers were freezing; they almost fell off today. And then, so this is what I check every day. This is a chill map of the United States.
So chill.
This is 11 a.m. Eastern time on May 20th. And basically, you could take Seattle through New Mexico, all these states in here like Nebraska and the Dakotas, and they're just out. We're not selling any sandals to them today.
Oh, man.
Because it's freezing.
Freezing.
The last 2 days here in California, freezing.
Yeah.
And pouring rain.
Yeah, I was going to say, just rain, rain, rain.
I'm going to say that in my 39 years, I have never experienced that kind of rain this late in May. Not even close. Yes, Willie.
Josh, let's look at it on the bright side here. Distance or absence. Distance makes the heart grow fonder, right?
Absence.
So like people are gonna want that summer feeling so bad when it comes.
Yeah.
They're gonna want their sandals. It's been raining forever. They're just like, oh,
All the more.
I need to put
Yeah.
sandals on. It's gonna be good.
Set your feet free.
Such a
You need
set.
those sandals.
In the meantime, I'm stressing over this weather. Like, where's the spring? Whenever I hear like a story, like Michigan had the coldest April in their history or whatever, it freaks me out. But anyway, it's not that bad. We'll get by. We'll figure it out. And the sun will come out tomorrow, I guess.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
Yeah.
TK, I mean,
It's not coming
TK
out today.
is wearing like
Actually,
3 coats
it's-
right now.
It's true. It's actually supposed to rain tomorrow.
Is it really?
Yeah. So
Wow.
I guess maybe the sun won't come out tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow.
I mean, the sun's kind of out right now.
Yeah, but then
Kinda
every
hard to
5
tell.
minutes, a huge cloud comes, rains on our parade.
Oh,
Anyways,
man.
so that's what's been stressing me out lately.
Whoa.
Wow, you're so creative.
Nice.
Wait. Now did that just happen? Did you find them?
This just happened on its own. I just found this.
They just fell on the table that way? Wow. That's amazing.
means something.
The Lord works in mysterious ways.
Yeah, glad he does. All right, let's make these straps. Let's get it done.
Let's make these straps. Okay.
What the heck, Willie? What even was the point of that? You should do like the and like when someone on like a news thing says something really bad, they like cut to like a blue screen. It's like, and we're back.
And we're back. So you're making straps for the Super Browns, correct?
Yes.
Nice. TK, I think you should consider a career as a seamstress.
I am a seamstress. This is my career. I work so hard. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, I'm gonna turn this bad boy up. 3,200. That's fast.
This is what I was trying to ask you about earlier. You're assembling Super Browns, but with the new lacing system.
Yeah, so we've got like, with our old model, we had like the secret menu item, which was our Super Browns, which are basically like our normal sandals, but everything's made in leather. But now that we have our new updated lacing system, this is our Super Brown of that lacing system.
Pretty sick.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Would you like it better if it was a dark brown webbing here, or?
I don't know. I think, can we get just a sample strip and try it?
Well,
that looks pretty cool to me. But
we will get a sample if we order it.
Yeah, I'm
They'll
curious.
send us some.
I'm curious what the brown would look like.
Yeah. They can get any color in the Ultra Suede. Same with the webbing, but like we'll have to order 1,000 yards of it or something. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I think because I think this looks cool, and because of all the thread and the other things that are in black.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta make some for myself now.
Same.
Yeah.
I want a pair for sure.
These are the most comfortable. It'll be a real boy, just like Pinocchio. I'm a real boy.
Hey. Nice. I like the look of these a lot.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.
Really, I await my cooking move. Doing it now.
Just annoying Christian as much as I can.
It got sunny, really.
No, man.
What's that? Oh, I know. It was helpful.
For a second.
Oh, all the material's wet. And I got